you doing?
Pardon?
What are you doing?
Oh,
What?
I already said.
Still talking to William?
It's Virginia.
Yeah.